So we're working on the truck and I'm trying to get the harmonic balancer, I think it's called, off from the shaft. The nut anyways. And I thought I'm going to take a break here. So this is what the truck looks like underneath. I mean, it feels solid. Definitely rust. You can see some scabbing off. So I really want to, I'm being optimistic that I can get this truck running. I really would like to put a stop to this rust. So I'm going to start putting some Z-zip on it. And that should penetrate and then seal it. So let's do some, maybe that's paint actually that came off. So I'll pull off any loose stuff and then I'm going to start Z-zipping here and there. And over the next week I hope I can get it running, and then this will not be a waste of time. So let's take a look at it later.